In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom object pipelines and stages in HubSpot. Let's jump right in. Open your HubSpot account. Make sure you're already signed in. Then click the settings gear in the top right corner of the main navigation. This takes you to your account settings, where we can configure how your custom objects move through a process. In the left sidebar, go to Objects, then choose Custom Objects. We're working here because pipelines for custom objects live separately from standard objects like deals or tickets. At the top, select the Pipelines tab. This is your workspace for structuring how records progress over time. Open the Select a Pipeline drop-down and choose Create Pipeline. Give your pipeline a clear, descriptive name so users immediately understand what it's for, like the process or team it supports. Consistent naming helps a lot when you scale. Under the Configure tab, click plus Add Stage to create the stages you need. Think of stages as the milestones a record passes through, from initial creation to completion. Add only the stages that reflect real steps in your process. Too many can make reporting noisy and adoption harder. For each stage, enter a stage name and set its status to open or closed. Open stages are work in progress. Closed stages indicate an endpoint. Because reports and automations often rely on whether a record is open or closed, be thoughtful here. Usually, most stages are open, and your final stage is closed to mark completion. Next, go to the Pipeline Rules tab. Toggle the rules you want to enforce. These switches help maintain data quality and process consistency, for example, requiring key details before moving forward or locking movement in certain directions. Enable only what supports your team's workflow so you don't create friction. Use the Actions dropdown to rename your pipeline if needed, reorder it among other pipelines, or delete it. Reordering keeps your most used pipelines easy to find. If you consider deleting, double-check that no active teams rely on it. Still in Actions, click Manage Access to control visibility. Choose Private for restricted access. Everyone to make it universally available, or specific users for a targeted audience. Align access with who actually needs to create and manage records in this pipeline. Finally, click Save in the bottom left corner to apply everything. That's it. Your custom object pipeline and stages are ready. Great job streamlining your process.